Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to easily list only the first matched instance of a value with Kutools for Excel. You can easily find and list the first matched instance of a value with the look for a value in list function of Kutools for Excel without remembering formulas. Select a blank cell, you will place the first matched instance. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the formula drop-down list and click the formula helper drop-down list and select look for a value in list. In the table array box, click this button to select the table range which contains both the specific value column and match instances column. Click the OK button. In the look value box, click this button to select the cell with the specific value you will list the first instance based on. Click the OK button, and in the column box, click this button to select the column contains the match instance or just enter the column number into it. Select column B. Click the OK button. The column number is based on the selected number of columns. If you select 4 columns and this is the third column, you need to enter number 3 into the column box. At last, click the OK button. As you can see, the first match instance of the given value is listed here. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.